Every week somebody asks me, "Gee, Rich, I can't believe it." I say, "What?" "I just got an extremely lowball offer from the insurance company." They're surprised. I'm not so surprised. But because people ask me this question almost every single week, why did the insurance company lowball me? I've thought about it and I've come up with 5 reasons I think they lowball you. The first reason why they lowball you is just really, really simple. Because they can. They do it because they can. And they know they can because they've done it so many times before. Especially since the recession about 10 years ago. Back then, John Q. Public, Jane Q. Public, they had to make ends meet. They had to put food on the table. They didn't have time to get well, to find out whether they needed surgery or not, to consider the value of their claim. They snatched up the first lowball offer that came their way. And as the next couple did it, the next couple and the next couple, every time someone accepted a lowball offer, that reinforces the insurance company behavior. And now we're here down the line, almost a decade, more than a decade later. It's well entrenched that insurance companies believe they can, and they can, and they get away with it. The second reason why I believe insurance companies lowball is because they have information on the injured person, either through Facebook, some other social media. There's all kinds of information you can get on someone. Their income, their house, can be searched on Google Earth. The insurance companies, and they also have databases. They know about you and they know about your stamina to fight them, what they can find out. The third reason is people aren't represented. If you're not represented, there'll be no day of reckoning. You need to have an attorney to make the insurance companies know that if they're not reasonable, there'll be a day of reckoning. There'll be a day when they have to answer for the wrong that they've done to you. Without that potential, they'll never be reasonable. An attorney represents that. There's only one thing worse than not being represented, and that's being represented by an attorney who has a reputation for settling all the time. In each urban area, the insurance companies know who settles, who does not, and who's willing to try the case. Not only your attorney, but you have to be willing to go the distance too. Insurance companies can sniff out somebody who's willing for a quick settlement and somebody who's willing to try the case. Start out with the assumption you're going to try the case. If you think that way, you're not going to have to try the case. The next reason why people get lowball settlements is there's not enough good evidence in the medical records. What's in the medical records is so crucial for a personal injury claim. You can say you're hurt. If the same thing is said in a medical record, it becomes true. It's like magical pixie dust gets sprinkled all over and it becomes the truth. So you want it to be in a medical record, and you want to have a test it, verify it. That's a little bit of more pixie dust to make it more true. So those are the 5 reasons I think insurance companies lowball. I'm Richard Rizk. I hope that helped. Have a good day.